Welcome to another episode of Take Two Creations with Manoj and Chetna. We are continuing with our brain theory, like you remember, cooked up by Manoj Tiwari. So last time we learned a lot about CPUs, operating systems, apps, hardware, software, but I was still confused, and I want to know from you, Manoj,
Mhm.
what part of all these three elements control each other? The
Hmm.
CPU controls the app, or the app will control the operating system, or can they work in synchronization uh, to to make a human being better?
Right.
So, can you talk about it?
Sure.
I'm interested in learning about the synchronization more than anything else.
Okay. So let's start with the first thing you asked, and very good question actually. So let's talk about how our minds are controlled. Who controls what, right?
Hmm.
So hardware obviously has to be there. Without hardware, nothing works. So assuming hardware is functioning properly, but then you have operating system, which are your values and learnings and knowledge that you have gathered over your life. And then there are apps you have put up to present yourself. So the operating system is not presenting itself directly ever. So you never
Mhm.
see people's operating system. You don't know what is happening underneath, right? Operating system is not visible. It's running in the background. But your
Mhm.
apps that you have downloaded on your system, so brain is sending signals to your apps, and apps are being shown through your sensory organs, your body, your things that can present you, and that can be your eyes, your mouth, your speech, and all these things are used as part of your apps, right? So
Hmm.
they are your presentation. But apps also have mind of their own. Who controls who is the problem. So it is like कि जैसे एक company में board of chairman है, and board of chairman has are figureheads. President of India is figurehead, but they have so much power. If they want to, they can bring the government down, right? But eventually apps will have to run. Apps have to run on their own as well. So they want work in tandem. But what happens is apps try to control the operating system, and operating system tries to guide apps. Operating system cannot control apps.
So that's the answer to my question. So what you're saying, the operating system can control apps or no?
It guides them. It cannot control them. What apps
Okay.
do, a lot of times, if you remember or if you think about it, we have two minds. जैसे कहते हैं ना, we always have uh, uh, uh,
Double-minded.
double-minded, right?
Yes.
One mind says go and party out, right? The other mind says no, you should go to sleep and get full rest, because tomorrow you have to work in your office, you have meetings and all that. But your other mind says no, 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 I want to go and party, because your apps are trying to satisfy your sensory organs, and the operating system is saying no. What makes sense is to for you to go and sleep, because tomorrow you have meetings all day, or you have things to do, whatever that is. So
Mhm.
operating system knows deep down. That's what कहते हैं ना, you know the truth, you know the what is right and what's wrong.
And
What is
that's where
right
the
and wrong.
values come in, right?
Exactly.
When your
It's all about values.
values, yeah, it's all about values.
It's
So
all about
your values are telling you, like,
right,
don't do
right,
something that's not
right.
right.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah, go
So
ahead.
how do you synchronize those thoughts? And I think that's what I want to know.
Okay.
Because in life, everybody is going through a relationship.
Right.
Maybe romantic, child and mom, brother, sister, friends, siblings, co-worker, everything, right?
Yes.
So I want to know, how do you bring that synchronization, which you
Happens.
called in your last show as a fixed up system? How do you
Right.
fix up our system?
This is where again it comes back to the self-realization and the awareness of where you are in life and what you want to achieve in life, right?
Hmm.
If so, let me give you another negative example of this also. So if I am an alcoholic, I will look for somebody who will also be a little liberal about alcohol drinking, or maybe alcoholic themselves, because then they will not stop me from that addiction, right?
So that's like birds of the same
Yeah, feather,
feather
yeah,
flock
flock
together.
together,
Okay. All
exactly.
right.
So you
Okay.
look for those things where you think you are best fit, right?
Mm-hmm.
In
Mm-hmm.
your own mind. So that's what the fixed up system is. So you are seeing my screen, my slide, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Fixed up system. So here, that's what I put in, say, heart and synchronizing with your mind. So this is your operating system and apps plugged in together. And they together bring the calmness of this water. And that's your objective. If that's your objective, you have to look at what you call synchronizing your operating system with your apps. First thing you should look at, and I mentioned that last time as well, was key. Realize whether whatever your actions are, whether they are controlled by apps or they are controlled by operating system, or it's a wired thing, right? Like if I know that I do not have brain wired for music, I will have to work extra hard to learn music, right? I will have to somehow figure it out, and maybe I'll have to work 3 times more than somebody who's already hardwired. That's why I left that kind of vague last time when we talked about it.
Mm-hmm.
Through training and things, you can learn things. I'm not saying you cannot, but it will take me 3 times, 4 times, 10 times more than somebody who's already wired. So
Agree.
there are two different things, two different ways of handling. For somebody who's wired, music is easy. It just flows out of their mouth. And I have
Right.
no idea where sa is and where re is. I still don't know what the difference is. I say sa, re. Yeah, so what's the difference? So same thing with your operating system. So you look at, if you are not able to maintain your relationships, if you are not able to get into relationships, what is it that's causing that? Is it your presentation? Is it like your outward presentation because you don't know how to talk to people right? Or is it because this image in your mind saying, oh no, I cannot be certain way, right? I'm gonna wear dirty clothes all the time. They are smelly, so what? That's how I am, right? Sometimes people claim that, oh, I always speak truth. But is that speaking truth causing you your relations? Because speaking truth may be right in your mind, but may not be right for somebody else. Go
I
ahead.
have a question.
Mm-hmm,
Just suddenly listening to you, I realized,
mm-hmm,
do you think this stubbornness of sticking to what we think is right
mm-hmm,
comes from some kind of insecurity or trauma that you suffered in your childhood, or when your operating system was developing, or your values were developing? Do you think it's because of fears, insecurities? A lot of actions and reactions, I used to think, oh, this is how I'm going to do it. But
right,
sometimes my fears were driving those
right,
actions
exactly.
and reactions.
You got it
So,
right. You got it 100% right.
okay.
So that's why I'm saying there are two ways of getting genetically kind of that also happens. I know my mother and my nana ji, and they were all very stubborn people. You know,
Hmm.
they didn't even think they are crossing where they are crossing the boundary, and they are stuck on this. They said, no, this is how I'm going to do it. This is how I'm going to do it. If they are going to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning and take cold shower in the month of December, that's how they are going to be, without thinking why they're doing it, right?
Hmm.
What
Hmm.
pleasure do you get? It's just to satisfy yourself. But the second point that you brought up is more important. So that's what I was going. So if you have that stubbornness because it runs in your genes, that's a little bit different. You can handle it differently versus the stubbornness that you talked about, or certain behaviors are caused by fear. That's totally different. So
Mm.
if you can identify that, if it's caused by fear, you can get over those things. And for that, you need to do, and I'm going to throw this term, reprogramming, right? You need to do reprogramming. So this is where I'm coming back to recognizing where this problem is occurring. It's like when you go to a doctor, right? Doctor ke paas jaake, the doctor will ask you, what are the symptoms? You have to recognize what your symptoms are and why those symptoms are happening. You're sneezing. Is sneezing because you have cold, you have flu, you have allergies, or you are just acting because you want to
Call
fake
in
your
sick.
calling sick. Exactly. Right. So all
So I
those.
have an analogy. My doctor always used to tell me, whenever I had any physical problem, He used to tell me, like, when a snake goes into the sand,
Mhm.
most of the doctors are actually uh, like, how do they call it, कि उस लकीर को बीट कर रहे हैं. So
Hmm.
दवाइयां देते रहते हैं, उस लकीर
Hmm.
को मिटाने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं.
Right.
कोई भी स्नेक को नहीं पकड़ता है.
Right. Right.
तो बेसिकली वो सिम्टम्स
Exactly.
देखते हैं, बट
Exactly.
जो एक्चुअल कॉज है उसको कोई टैकल नहीं करता. मे
Right.
बी बिकॉज इट्स लॉट ऑफ वर्क, or
Yes.
maybe because people are not trained enough to
Right.
really do that, right?
Right. Exactly. Exactly. That is such a good point. Everybody is trying to cure the symptoms. Everybody's trying to fix the app. So somebody said, "Oh, I'm not having relationships. I'm not able to maintain relationships." So what they will do? They'll go and buy new clothes, right? Oh, nice fancy clothes. Let me see if I can put on a mini skirt, or I can put on these tight jeans, or grow hair, whatever that is. So people will fix apps. They do not look at the operating system. But in 99% of the cases, it's the operating system where the problem lies. So people who say that hey, this is how I am, take me or leave it, right? That's operating system problem. It's not that you are not putting the makeup on or you're not wearing nice clothes or something, right? It's about your stubbornness or your fears. Mostly it's fears, what you were talking about. Certain things you don't want to do because you're so fearful. And I used to watch the show sometimes about fashion or something. So these people who do not like to do makeup and will not wear, they will wear baggy clothes, always try to look like, hey, I am plain Jane. Kind of that image they carry intentionally because they have fear of looking pretty, fear of being recognized as, ooh, you are looking great, because they don't want to, because there is some kind of fear they have in their minds and they can't get out of it. And opposite of that is true also. There are people I know, we know that who cannot come out of their bedroom without full makeup, right? Their own spouses have not seen them without makeup. So people
Are they
are,
fearful of being less than perfect?
whatever it is, yeah, I don't know what it
Yeah,
is.
maybe it is the fear of
Yeah.
being less than perfect.
It's a self-image. It's a self-image thing. So it can be drawn. It can be created because of any number of reasons, and I can't. I don't know what those reasons possibly could
So
be.
let me ask you a personal question. That's why you're growing your hair.
No, no. Haircut tree is closed. That's why. No. All right. I think that's a good talk for today, for this
Yes,
session, and we will
yes.
continue this conversation in a series I want to do on this. Make
I think,
sense?
yes, I would really love to hear about the fears that we carry and
Right.
our actions and reactions based on um, circumstantial events.
Mhm.
And rather than thinking it through, we just react sometimes.
Right.
Is it
And
out of fear? And how we can bring uh, that synchronization, which we talked about earlier,
and also reprogramming, how to
and
reprogram.
reprogramming. I think the reprogramming is the key.
So hold on to these thoughts, and we'll talk about that in the next episode.
Thank you, Manoj Ananda ji.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.